it was at that point. So it's an evolution of thinking, right? So it was at a point that I took a page from product management best practices to view tracking and the data as a product. So it has its own vision, its own strategy, its own roadmap. Now, I come from a product marketing and product kind of design background, and I spent 10 years in agile product management within gaming.
Mhm.
So for me, it's almost natural to think in these terms.
Yeah, the natural
Uh,
instinct.
yeah, it's a natural instinct, but I knew that we needed a framework. It was tried and tested, so I can really truly leverage the opportunity presented by the platform. I've also experienced failures in implementation. Um, Long time ago, one of those failures was a product called Omniture. Really good product, but because we lacked kind of a cohesive strategy, we didn't manage to make it work for us. So, in my experience, taking this view is going to make a difference because it's a best practice. It's a framework that's proven to work. It's not something I invented. This is out in
Mhm.
the web. A chap called Roman Pichler um, is one of the evangelists of this kind of approach.
Mhm.
Um, it's a formal and upfront statement of why we're doing this, who the product's target users are, the value proposition it will generate, and the problems that we're going to address, the business goals that it should meet, and its standout features. So it's measurable all the way. And if we want to kind of summarize that, so kind of from a pure vision perspective, it's like the purpose of the behavioral data product is to build a scalable, centralized, sustainable, and intentionally architected BDP so that we
Mhm.
can accurately and precisely collect, manage, and operationalize data. By operationalizing data, I mean a range of activities, right? Starting from let me build a true picture of user behavior across journeys. Let me produce the analytics. Let me produce the insights. But then it can take me fast forward to the future where how can I use Snowplow real-time data? They're validated now. They're reliable. I know that they happen to go away to go into the holy grail of marketing, right, which is mass customization, right? And obviously with machine learning and AI, um, that's kind of very achievable. um, so we're creating value for our users, for our players, because we're
Mhm.
optimizing the customer experience. um, and we deliver business value because we're driving higher engagement, because we've improved the customer experience,
Mhm. Yeah.
and obviously we're improving revenue. It